welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm currently on video 2 right now, this very video of my Loc Extensions series. As some of you may know, I combed out my loc extensions after wearing it for about 2 years, so I thought why not come together with a series to close off this part of my loc journey officially. So today in this video I'm gonna be talking to you guys and recommending some of what I consider to be the best hair options for both synthetic loc extensions and human hair loc extensions. And of course I'm going to be talking about what I like about these brands and why I think it would be a good fit for you if you're interested in starting yours. Let's get straight into it. So we'll do synthetic first. If you're interested in seeing the human hair section, because that's the part you really came for, check the timestamp right here. The first hair I want to talk about is actually the hair that I have in my braids at the moment. And this is, I wrote it down, the Bijoux Realistic Afro Kinky Bulk hair. This is actually 60 inches, I believe, of hair, and I actually cut it for the style. Originally, when I got my hair braided, it was way longer, but I couldn't do it for work. It's too much drama. So this is actually how long the section of hair really is. So if I were to leave that on, it would be very long. So this hair is by Bijoux, and as I said, it's the Afro Kinky bulk of hair. This was the double amount, the double pack version. So I think there were like 32 of these. And guys, this hair is super soft. This particular one ombres, but you can get the normal length one or the basic one that doesn't ombre, and you have a lot of colors that you could choose from. This hair is super soft, and it actually feels very nice and lightweight. It's not a heavy braid, which is good because you don't want the hair to be heavy. When the hair is wet, it's going to be weighed down anyway. So yeah, this hair is super light and fluffy and resembles natural hair as best as it could for synthetic hair. Moving on to the next one. The next brand that I recommend is the Noir, and of course the Afro Kinky collection, the Janet Noir hair collection in Afro Kinky bulk. I can probably put up a couple of pictures for you guys to see. This hair is what I saw as one of the more popular brands. It has really nice reviews, so that's just my opinion. Of course, you can choose whatever Mali hair or whatever texture of hair best suits your hair texture. Lastly, I want to recommend the Amour, and it's the soft kinky braid. I'll leave a picture of it here as well. It's a really nice texture of hair. It looks very realistic. I've actually had braids with this brand of hair before, like once or twice in the past, and it was really good. So yeah, those are my synthetic loc extensions options for you guys. Now to get into the human hair extensions, and I could not do this video without recommending the brand that I use. This hair was a blessing. It could bleach, it could color, it could dye, it could everything. I had no complaints in terms of the colors and the curls and all of that. It was really nice. So let me head into my drawer there just to get the loc extensions to show you guys what that looked like. Don't ask me why I still have this. I don't know. So when I first got my loc extensions done, let me put it on this side. This is what they look like. The hair still is holding up to this day. This was the length of my loc extensions, and this was the fuzzy part to attach onto my hair, the loose ends here. But yeah, the loc extensions were about 6 to 8 inches long, and it served me well, guys. It really did. I might sell these. I don't know. I have a few. I was thinking it would be good for like a guy who wants to just lock the top part of the hair and they have a fade, or maybe like a girl who also has a fade and they want to lock the top part. I don't know. But this is my little bundle here of loc extensions. that I have still, for whatever reason, just sitting there. Human hair, guys. Just sitting here. As you can see, I don't know if you all can tell, but this looks very, very realistic. There were no doubts. None. No doubts. Throughout my entire journey, no one asked, no one cared. It looks realistic, it feels realistic, and it's very close to, if not the same as your natural hair texture. The only time I noticed a texture difference was when my hair was wet, and of course I could feel the difference, you know. So yeah, I bought it in a natural black color. It has some little highlights of brown because it is human hair, but this hair really did serve me well. So the Bijoux Solo Green Afro Kinky bulk is the truth. I loved it, and I know that you guys will love it too. I paid $200 for a pack of hair. I ended up buying like 7 or 8 packs. I can't remember. Probably like 8 or 9 packs, because it ended up to be almost $2,000. So you could say yeah. By the way, if you want to know whether synthetic locks or human hair locks is for you, check out my last video on this Loc Extensions series. I will link it in the iCards above. Now that we have this out of the way, the next human hair that I would recommend, that I see a lot of people, like in the US and other places, using this particular hair, is by Macon Styles. I have heard a whole lot of good things about their hair. It's soft, it's natural. They even do ready-made loc extensions if you want to just buy it off of their site. So nothing but good things. You all could go into it some more and research it some more. But I've heard a lot about their stuff and great reviews. Lastly, I would recommend the Vivica Fox Afro Kinky bulk. Vivica Fox, I personally haven't experienced this hair, but I saw 1 or 2 videos with people who have used it, as well as comments, because I did look up on human hair, Afro Kinky human hair, while I was, you know, delving into that part of the journey. So yeah, I saw good reviews. I think that it would be a good option for you if you're interested. And those are my options. 3 for synthetic, 3 for human. After all, you can use what you want to use, but these are what I would recommend to you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more on my Loc Extensions series, I'm uploading a video 1 each day. This is video 2 of 4. In my next video, I'm actually going to show you guys how to make loc extensions, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to attach it onto your existing locks, as well as or how to attach it onto your natural hair, because basically the same thing applies. So I hope to see you guys in those videos. Do subscribe to my channel, because when I take these braids on, guys, I am going to be doing kind of revamping my channel, doing natural hair videos, getting into the products, trying new things and all that. So I wish to see you guys there with me. Thanks so much for watching this one. Give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you have any recommendations too for persons who would be interested in starting their loc extension / loc journey, then you know, you can leave them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.